What's up? What's up, my guys? Alright, so I know I just started ending it, and that's really, really trippy, but I'm going to talk about where we are going to buy Ugaz and what we should do. um, so, you can see Ugaz had its first green day in a long time. It's been 11 days, and I'm pretty sure that's the most it's ever gone in the past 6 months, if I'm correct, without a green day. And now we got our first green day, and it did 20% today. Insane numbers. I know. All right, so here's the plan. Here's the attack plan. All right, so I bought 50% of my low of my small account yesterday. I plan to buy more today. I plan to buy more tomorrow if it goes up. If it gaps up, I'm buying more because it's probably going to pull back in the second 4-hour candle because that's usually what happens. So I'm going to show you all the reasons why I think that Ugaz is going to go up tomorrow. So, reason one, it just had its first green day, and usually green days lead to second green days, lead to third green days. Alright, so that's reason one. Reason two, the DMA lines just crossed on the MACD, and they're starting to angle up. See? They just crossed, they're making new highs. See? Look, it's already starting to grow. Alright, so here's the thing. You can see that it goes on the CCI, usually goes either goes straight to green, or usually it either goes straight to green or it goes gray, yellow, green. Yellow is the spot where it's going to make a decision on which way it's going to trend. So right now, in the next 4 hours is probably the most influential piece of Ugaz's current history right now. Because if it continues on its way down, that means that it's probably going to drop to zero. I mean, there's just no stopping it because there's no other resistances besides that what's it called, the stock reversal or whatever that happened a few months ago. There's no other resistances. It's never been this low before. But it looks like it's going to go up because look at all right. So that's reason two. Gray, yellow, green. Gray, yellow, green. Gray, yellow, red, green, yellow, green. So here's the best piece. So that's one. Reason two, they're just about to have a breakout up or down. This is my Mesa Waves sign. Every single time it crosses, it doesn't indicate up or down. It just indicates a breakout. So look at right there. If it indicated a breakout, the next day it dropped 10%. So I'm pretty sure it's going to break out up because look at we've been on a solid downward trend. It hasn't gone past the EMA line. It's just been rejected, and now all of a sudden it's starting to make new highs, and it confirms its direction up by the SMA line. And yesterday at a low of 1488, Friday, and we had a breakout indicator this morning or last Friday night. It's fine. It's looking like it's going to keep on pushing up. Now you can see here that it's not above 50 RSI yet, which means that's probably just a breakout. So now you can see that the MACD lines are closed. It's starting to make new highs, and it just closed in the DMA. And what's this? 12, 20. Oh wait, that's old. There's no news. Basically, they struck a deal, and they've came to an agreement that Russia and the Saudi Arabians or whatever, they came to an agreement that they're not going to price each other out of business, and they're just going to make up. So, yeah. You guys should go up from that because natural gas is made from crude oil, and the less space that there is for crude oil, the less space there is for natural gas. And now that they've been over pumping natural gas and crude oil, there's going to be there's a slow of it, which means there's going to be less of it, which means crude oil is going to go up, which means Ugaz is going to go up, which means natural gas is going to go up. So there's a massive side to it. I'm just going to check. So there's a massive things. So you can see it just broke up. And look, it didn't go past. I'm pretty sure it's just a pullback because like it had this massive growth, a little pullback, and that would be basically a solid upward pattern for Ugaz. Now I'm going to extend it 100 bars to the right really fast. 100 bars. Alright, so now you can see, I'm pretty sure it's going to go like this. It's going to come up here, maybe hit this second resistance line, do a pullback probably onto that, because this is where the EMA is. And then probably going to follow through. I don't know what's going on. Probably going to follow through. Or it's either going to be done there. So that's either going to go one or two places. So it's either going to go up to here and then do a pullback. Or then up to here and then probably reverse. But this is kind of like a key point. So I'm going to mark this area. Should be tomorrow. So this is a dangerous area. Actually, I'm going to do yellow. Yellow. Why yellow? Because it's hazardous. Sorry. It's hazardous. If you can see, it's going up. And so it'll use this as either a support or a resistance, this EMA line. And then once it confirms its direction, you can either go up or down. But I would sell pretty much all shares right here at probably 21.35 or 22.42, somewhere in between there, because you don't know which way it's going to go. Now, you can either be right or you can be wrong. Now, here's the best part. If you're right, you get money. If you're right, you get money either way. If you're wrong, you'll lose a lot of money. So I'd rather sustain my money and wait for the confirmation that it's going up or down instead of just destroying my account, because that's not fun. So now you can see that it's starting a new upward trend pattern, up or down, doesn't really matter. And you can cash in on it either way. And that's sometime up here. Now, I'm really sure that this is just a pullback because it bounced off the 15 EMA. So tomorrow, I expect it to be up around $21.40 or above that. That's only because that's its minimum thing. Now, we're going to go take a look at NG and see what's going on there, because that's what kind of makes it do its thing. So if you can see, it showed that we already had our breakout, and it's making new highs from already a really big low, which means it's uptrending. And it's saying the reason why it pulled back was because it used this resistance line as a resistance, making a solid upward trend pattern or a wedge. So this is a wedge right here. Use that. And those have a 75 to 70% chance of going up. Now those also have a 25% chance, a 25% chance of going down. And that's what's kind of scary. So this is a mini pullback for big reasons. It's probably going to do, it went like that, and like that. Good. Alright, so that's why I think that. I'm pretty sure that you guys should go up. So here's the game plan. small positions right now. I have four shares, and then I have like this is 90 shares of Ugaz on my other account, my small account, and then I have a few shares of TQQ just because TQQ is really good right now. But I had TQQ way down there, so it's fine. Ugaz. So buy some shares right now if you're watching live. Buy just a couple. Look at 4 shares, and then I have 60 on my other one. 60 to 90. And that's because I like to have a lower position size. Because watch this: if I have 4 here, 4 shares here, and I buy 100 up here, my average size is going to be lower than the days, which means I can just cash in profit the entire day. So yeah, that's what's be going on, and that's why I think you guys will go up. So buy right now. Buy right now. Now this is a suggestion, so if it goes down, please don't blame me. But I have my money on it that it's going to go up, and then it's going to do something like this: go down or up. And then once we figure out this, if it's going to go down or up, we can add to our position size. So if it goes up here, we can add to our position size. If it goes up here, we can sell if it goes below here, and we can still sell for 23% profit. And if you continue to buy, you can buy DGAZ, which is the reverse, and you'll make 37%. So it's really just up to what you want to do. And this can even do this. You can do a double bottom and a reversal, but it doesn't look like it's going to do that. So here's the game plan: buy a little bit here, and then if it goes down or up, you'll be ready for it, and you'll still make profit either way. And if it continues to go up, buy more. Either sell right here, somewhere in between these two lines, or right here. Don't set a trailing stop loss. Those things get triggered really, really easily. So if it goes up, goes down, it's either going to get rejected here, or here. So be careful of that. Stay safe. It was only a suggestion or an idea, so please don't take it. You should take it, but just know that once it's there, it's done. So look at this real fast. So go and buy Ugaz. Take it with a grain of salt. I know I said it a bunch. And then also go down in the comments below. Ask me any questions if you have any. Then you can go on Discord, join my Discord server. If you want 2 free stocks, you can sign up for Robinhood and Webull for free. And it also gives me 2 free stocks. And Discord me. If you have any questions, I will answer them pretty much 24/7 a day. So thank you for watching.